It's a tradition at the start of every year. The Pope received ambassadors to the Holy See and discussed the Vatican's position on some of today's issues. Just like in his message for World Day of Peace, the Pope urged to fight against poverty in order to build peace.
Le Saint-Siège ne cesse de rappeler que l'on ne peut pas construire la paix quand les dépenses militaires soustraient d'énormes ressources humaines et matérielles aux projets de développement, spécialement des peuples les plus pauvres.
Once again, Benedict XVI spoke about the current conflict between Israel and Palestine. The Pope said neither military force nor violence will bring peace to the region.
Je souhaite qu'avec l'engagement déterminant de la communauté internationale, la trêve dans la bande de Gaza soit remise en vigueur, ce qui est indispensable pour redonner des conditions de vie acceptables à la population, et que soient relancées les négociations de paix et en renonçant à la haine, aux provocations et à l'usage des armes.
The Pope also backed talks between Syria and Israel and the consolidation of Lebanese and Iraqi institutions.
En ce qui concerne l'Iran, on ne doit pas se lasser de rechercher une solution négociée à la controverse sur le programme nucléaire à travers un mécanisme qui permette de satisfaire les exigences légitimes du pays et de la communauté internationale. Un tel résultat favoriserait grandement la détente régionale et mondiale.
Benedict XVI asked the ambassadors to promote the respect of all religions in their countries and to end all intolerance and humiliation towards Christians. As far as social politics, he asked the U.S. and Mexican governments to reunite families torn apart by immigration policies and encourage the fight against the drug trade and corruption. The Pope also mentioned the current financial crisis and said that in order to overcome it, it was necessary to promote ethics based on the inherent dignity of every individual. Benedict XVI ended his speech by acknowledging the other poor. He was referring to the abandoned old and the unborn, whom he calls the poorest human beings of all.